In case you're wondering, Iceland has a lot of waterfalls. Seljalandsfoss is one of those waterfalls that is easy to get to, as it is located right off of Route 1, part of the Golden Circle route between Hella and Vik. It is surrounded by green hills and volcanic rock. At the bottom of the waterfall, it crashes into the lowland to form a river running to the Atlantic Ocean. The waterfall is 60 meters high, 197 feet, and is created by the Seljalands River, that originates from the melting glacier-capped Eyjafjallajökull volcano. To avoid crowds, you should plan to get there early in the morning, or late in the afternoon. If you come at night, you might be lucky and get an amazing view of both the waterfall and the northern lights. If you want, close by, there is a shop with souvenirs and a small cafe with coffee and sandwiches. Seljalandsfoss is featured in a lot of famous TV shows such as Star Trek Discovery and The Amazing Race. It is also shown in music videos such as I'll Show You by Justin Bieber. Seljalandsfoss is a good stop to head to, as there are a lot of other attractions in the area. It is close to another not-to-miss waterfall, Seljalandsfoss, which you can see by clicking the link to the video. Not far from Seljalandsfoss and Seljalandsfoss, you can visit the Skoa Museum. The Skoa Museum is one of the best cultural places to visit in Iceland. There, you can discover Iceland's history, the region's culture, and chronicled artifacts dating back to the Vikings. Finally, the building itself is a sight to see. It is built of stone and covered in turf, the classical way homes were built in the past. You can also hike to Eyjafjallajökull waterfall. If you take the hike, make sure to use caution crossing the stream as it can be slippery. Now that we are closer to the falls, let's get back to information about Seljalandsfoss itself. Plan to spend about a half an hour at Seljalandsfoss to walk up to the waterfall and hike around the area to see it from all angles. If you are willing to get a little wet, since the falls cascade over steep cliffs, you can actually walk behind the falls into a small cave. Unfortunately, as we were there in the winter, the path was closed. Regardless, it is always a good idea to wear waterproof clothing, as well as crampons, to keep dry and safe. Please like and subscribe. We hope you enjoy the rest of the video and the amazing scenery around Seljalandsfoss. Thank you for watching. For more Iceland videos, click on the playlist link.